Chez Sadashi for the love of crypto and coffee. Today I'm going to talk with another great solutions of we call Celsius network. Basically, it's the same kind of business like Nexo and Crypto.com, two DeFi that I tested already. And Celsius network come to my attention last year in 2019, but I haven't taken the time to investigate it. But now it's the time, so I decided to create a video and I'm going to create a blog post on my crypto blog, shaysachi.com. So basically, what you can expect from Celsius Network, basically a DeFi means decentralized finance, and Celsius Network, like the core business is to borrow crypto to other people and make interest from them and create liquidity with the crypto from other people to create pool. So basically, when you put your crypto there, they give you interest. So to increase the liquidity to borrow more money to other players. So it's basically the same thing that the banks do with the fiat money system. But now you can do it on the crypto wars without selling your crypto. But the good things from that, you can make interest. So let's go jump right away on the main page of Celsius Network. I'm going to put the URL under this video on the comment section of this video, my friend. So basically, you turn to earn crypto. Wow, this is cool. Your crypto could be earning up to 12% annually APY. Turn your cold storage into hot profit instantly when you deposit coins into your Celsius network. So you see, when you have crypto sit down, why not to put it on Celsius network or Nexo or crypto.com so you can make interest with your crypto. This is cool. This is passive income. So earn coins. So you have the interest calculator. You can put the amount. They support a lot. I think they support over 25 cryptocurrencies at the moment as we speak. So you can put you could put your crypto and calculate how much you're going. So you need to put an amount. But I'm not going to charge. And you can put the term of how much time you let your crypto sit down here. So you have the options of 6, 12, 24, 48. So basically, it's easy to calculate how much interest you're going to have. So the 1% at the turn at Celsius Network, the mission of this is we're driving by the missions to be what is best for our community. That means offerings the highest earning potentials to everyone's equally. We are committed to sharing up to 80% of our income with our user. Do you believe a bank do that? No, but eventually with the crypto wars, this kind of possibility will be more common and convenient. This is what I like about the opinion about crypto. It's going to change the financial system as we speak. It's take time because the battlefield between fiat and crypto is a long-term battle, but eventually both will coexist and going to they find their place. But this is a new trend about DeFi and more solutions that's going to come. And this is a great potential. So, when you invest on something that you share with you 80% with the community, this is us take day, my friend. So over 25 of your favorite cryptocurrencies that it's supported. So earn up to 12%. So you see how much interest it's going to make. So with the utility token of this platform that we call Cell token is 5.12%. Bitcoin only 2.550, Ethereum 2, and this term is going to change, is going to vary. So when you're going to check, go see this page on the main page of on Celsius Network. Network 2.25, Ripple 3.15, on Mizogo not much, 1.51. So if you have $1,000, you're going to make $1.50. It's not a big amount, but it's something. No, $10.50. I mean, if you put in $1,000. Bitcoin crash 279, 289 for 0x. Bitcoin go 150. But what's come to my attention is the stable coin that you can make the most money because they have stability, and people can borrow it to keep the most value from when they borrow, and also to be able to trade much is the money, because when you want to borrow money is about you need to have stability in mind because you need to have predictability in the futures. But with cryptocurrency with so much volatility, So you cannot predict how much money the variation is going to make. So that's the reason I think they emphasize much to give more interest. Sorry. On stable coin. So as you can see, Zcash is not a stable coin, but they give 7.25%, Stellar 177. So when, like I say, the fiat system, like true represent $1, true USD, 8.32%. This is cool, 8.22%. That your bank gave you 8% on your deposit on your bank account, on your saving bank account. No, barely, probably 150 or 2% as we speak. So 8% with your stable coin. This is outstanding. Gemini dollars is all the stable coin is around the same value, 8.22%. As you can see, Tether, the British pounds, the true Australian dollars, true Canadian dollars, Hong Kong dollars. So all is 8.22. So if you want to make most money, focus on to borrow or to increase the pool there, and you can make the interest. Deposit your crypto and make 8.32% at we speak. So what is great, earn on your terms. You saw no minimum deposit, fee free, my friend. And kind of also you can make what you is, I think if you stake the utility token that we call sell, and no lockout period. This is cool. So you can deposit and withdraw at any time, and this is outstanding, my friend. So this they have some state in the United States, I don't know, in some country that's not about to use it, but Canada is not there, so I'm okay because I am Canadian. So basically, it's a great solution. Let's go see on the crypto loan page here. Borrow cash against your crypto. So select your crypto local LTL, BTC, ETH, BCH, X, Ripple, Litecoin, and Dash. So basically, if you want a loan amount, so you need to have the equivalent of, I think, 3 times the amount, because they need, because the big problem of crypto is the high volatility and the manipulation in the market. So you need, if you want to borrow money, you need to put the same amount, 3 times the same amount in crypto. So I think, I hope that the crypto eventually is going to stabilize and to have more predictability, that the high volatility, because sometimes you have Bitcoin 10,000, 8,000, 9,000, and you have still headlines. So I haven't I stopped it to read those kind of articles, because it's always the same thing, redundant, and people try to predict which where's Bitcoin is going to head, and be with the Fibonacci, with all this, the Corbett Elliott wave and stuff like that. But I'm not too much at trading right now. I prefer to create content online, and to play game at the moment, and to discover DeFi. So as you can see, you need to put, if you want to borrow money with your crypto, you need to have 3 times the amount of fiat system. So because this mechanism is put in place because of the extreme volatility of your crypto, like Bitcoin or Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash. So you can decide your term to reimburse. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. I think the term is pretty cool to have 3.46%. Go your bank, try to borrow money. I think you're going to pay probably 6 or 7 or 8%, is depend of your credit status. So as you can see, is beat the banks with good. The only thing I don't like is that you need to put 3 times for the same amount, and in crypto probably you can just. This is the only way. This is only when you don't want to sell your crypto. That's the best option, and you need to have liquidity. So that's the main page of borrow money, and your best interest rate. Loan starting at $1,000. Interest rate from 3.75% APR. Term from 6 months, extend at any time. I don't know until which time, but you will see on the main page 6, 12, 18, and 25 months. Low to value 25, 30, or 50%. Zero fees or penalty. This is cool. Fee free, no credit check, and instant approval. Because if you want to go to the bank, you need to have a good credit card. Otherwise, they're going to refusal. But in that case, if you have crypto, fee free, no credit check, and instant approval. So apply for a loan in 60 seconds or less. This is fast, my friend. 60 seconds or less. But try with the banks. It's going sometime to take 1 hours, 2 days, some depend, and you need to fill a lot of boring process. What your income, where you work, what is your name, and stuff like that. Because whereas they always want to, and they need to put your security numbers as well because they want to track everything. But this is the normal system. We lend so you can spend. This is cool. Don't sell your crypto, borrow against it. Deferred tax, the advantage of deferred taxes, because when you sell your crypto, it's an event taxes, so you need to pay tax on the profit. So deferred taxes, travel the world, my friend, emergency funds, buy crypto, debt refinancing if you get in trouble, or make a down payment. This is cool. People love us, and people pay great to come in here. Well, I'm going to read it just for the to incentivize you if you want to investigate more on Celsius. Always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my talk about this discovering of Celsius network. Celsius, because nothing make me happier than to see my money make money. This is called passive income. I admit it, I bought 3 BMX bikes that are now also size with sell interest in the last. So the person was supposed to buy 3 items that is worth for him with the interest that is borrowed from the crypto. He deposited his crypto and make interest. He was about to buy 3 BMX. I don't know if it's real, but that's the comment here. Anyway, that we are in the bottom here. Let's see. You need to remember that the cell token is a utility token. The cell is the native token of Celsius in the network and is an utility token that give Celsius members exclusive access to the best financial services for cryptocurrencies, get better interest rate, priority status, community membership, and much more. And they have they are available on different exchange, BTC, Swishet network, and liquids. They I think they need to be listed on much higher trading exchange out there like Bittrex, Binance, stuff like that, because you need to have access to liquidity, and this is total amount of the supply 695 millions. Total circulating supply, total located supply. So you can go check by yourself the Instagram index sessions. So this is the kind. This is cool. Social royalty reward. Your royalty level is determined by the ratio of cell token to other coins and your wallet. If 10% or more on your wallet balance is in cell, you are platinum Celsius member, silver 5 to 10%, gold 10-15. And I haven't checked this because I need to install Celsius on my. I need to do the make the know your customer and be able to fill a form. I will not do it today, but I'm going to do it this week. So the cell token utility. The cell token utility has 7.5 utilities, all designed to create services that act in your best interest. Explore each utility below and start putting them to work in your sessions. I think you need to evaluate those 7 key points. The cell membership token, skip the queue, even lower interest rate on loan, even higher interest because you need to stake to have more interest. So user who choose to earn their weekly interest cell token will receive up to 35% interest on non-cell deposit dog about more big. I'm going to investigate these features if I want to buy cell and borrow money and make more interest. So I need to explore probably another blog post, another video. But right now I don't know exactly how these things work. But basically if it's like crypto.com or Nexo, you need to buy the utility token and stake, and you get access to more privilege with more IS because you need to take the risk. So you get reward with much IS interest. So also the lowest interest rates on coin loans and sell on sell pay. And also premium services support and events. So basically, they have a lot of features if you want to sell. The one that interests me the most is even higher interest me. Even higher earner interest if you buy the sell utility token. So far, I haven't made the test. I never investigate. So this is something that I'm going to try in the coming, probably this week or next week. Who knows? So the Celsius partnership, I think it's important to know which company trusts Celsius network. I think it is the which company? I think they saw the company below. I think okay, so. The current partners is Quinlan, Monarch, Infinite Wallet, and Amount. For this four company, I never heard about those. Probably you can do your own research if you are interested to discover what. I just checked Quinlan this morning, but I don't know exactly what the kind of business they're doing. So if you check on the sessions on Coin Market Cap right now, the position, the rank is 2074. This is very low on the bottom chart. If you compare with the competitors like Nexo or Crypto.com, they got on the top 100. But I see some movement on the price lately on the crypto chart. If you see it, and you see a lot of activity, so the price jumped from 3 cents to almost 70 cents. I think all the DeFi apps they increased a lot of value lately in the latest 2 3 months. So probably the sessions chart is going to follow the competitor as well. So this is something that I'm going to check. I haven't invest on the sound network because my main purpose of this video is to be able to present you in my blog post about Celsius network. So as you can see, so this has a lot of potential, but it's not very far. Probably they need to be listed on more big trading exchange out there because the four they used to be listed is not big trading exchange from my point of view, because you need to be listed on big player out there like Binance and Bittrex and Poloniex and name it, because they have so many trading exchange on the crypto spheres. But this is cool. So you know that this is something you need to pay attention of the utility of Celsius network. In the meantime, if you like what I'm doing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. ShaySatoshi.com for the love of crypto and coffee. See you on the next vlog video for the next presentation. And have a great day ahead, my friend. Bye-bye.